Brian with the West Automotive Group here. Today we're talking about cost versus price when it comes to auto repair. Now you might say, hey, it's the same thing, right? You call, you get a quote on a repair. Let's say a fuel pump on your vehicle. But that's not actually all that's involved in it. So you get your vehicle in, you get it repaired. Let's say you get a really cheap price quote from somebody. You hop in the vehicle and 2 days later, it leaves you alongside the road. So the actual price versus the cost, the price is what they quoted you. The cost is the tow, the loss of work, the rental car that you need while they fix it the second time for you, and those kind of items. So the reason we're talking about this here is there's a couple things that are very important. Number one, the quality of parts being put in your vehicle and the quality of the technician doing so are extremely important. At the West Automotive Group, we tend to use OEM quality parts for a reason. The reason is longevity of repair. We want the repair on your vehicle, such as a fuel pump or fuel injectors, to last the same amount of time or more than it did originally when you purchased the vehicle or from the start. So it's very important to have quality parts put on your vehicle by a qualified technician, which will keep your vehicle running and you safe on the road. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.